Hello folks, this is again 2007 May June paper 1 and the question number is 10 this time. So actually I didn't plan to do this question, but I frequently receive inquiries about this thing. They were especially confused about the sign of this P2. So it says the graph shows the variation with time t of the momentum of a ball as it is kicked in a straight line. Initially the momentum is P1 at time t1. At time t2 the momentum is p2, so that means the momentum changes within the time frame t1 to t2. What is the magnitude of the average force acting on the ball between the times t1 and t2? So the force of on the body is equal to rate of change of momentum. So that means we have to have the rate can be found by the slope of the momentum time graph within that time frame. So here we have the slope like this. So slope should be from here to here, and time should be from here to here, because it's the time frame at which the momentum will change. So if I do so, the numerator should have should show the change in momentum, and the denominator should show the change in time. So in the numerator I have got the initial momentum is p1 and the final is p2 by the time separation or time difference is t2 minus t1. Now I should have used p2 minus p1. P1 is final minus initial, but here we are simply concerned with the magnitude, so we can just use larger value minus smaller value. And some of the students have inquired me that why is it not p1 minus p2 by t2 minus t1. So they wanted it to have p1 minus p2. So it is not p1 minus p2 because we are not given minus p2 here. So had we have been given p1 0 minus p2, it would have been like this. But here we are not given anything minus. So that's it is simply difference, this minus this. So there is no minus sign for this p2, and it remains as this. So the correct choice for this thing should be equal to choice number B and not choice number D. And similarly, we can't have these choices because these things do not show the total time duration. They simply show the time duration from 0 to t2 and 0 to t2. So these also do not form correct choices. So the correct choice is only choice number B.